Chain Repair 101. Chain pliers, number one necessity. There's two parts to them. There is one to spread and another to crimp. To repair a cross link, you use the spreader portion. Go onto your cross link end, put it under the piece that is crimped, and push down. Once it is that, on both sides, comes out. When you do put a new one in, put it on the same link that it came out of. Install onto your side rail.
Okay.
And then you use the crimping end to squeeze them closed. A lot of times you'll have to switch sides like this. And there, it is re-crimped. If you have a side chain, center chain that has broken a link, you can use a quick link install and tighten with some pliers or a crescent wrench to get it tight. Or you can use a link like this. You put each chain around it and use your pinching portion of chain pliers and squeeze it together for a side rail repair. For your boomer repair, a new one comes like this. You will have to spread the portion that is hooked around the rail, and you use your spreader portion to take out. And when you put a new one on or put the other old one back on, make sure you have your hook, when it's on, to face outwards. It'll make life easier putting chains on, less tire damage. And same thing, you will have to use the crimp end to crimp it close so it won't pop out. Now when you do that, make sure it's not too tight that the boomer can swivel. Otherwise it'll make life miserable. Usually on the center rails there's a hook like this, or possibly a round one that is like an S, which is you hook on and pinch the end. The long end will be the blank end that you hook into the other set of chain, other end of rail. When you've done that, should be good to go.